How to apply background color to the selected button. So why do we need to apply a color to the selected button? Because we switch between the visuals using the buttons. So we need to know which button is selected. So that is why I'm going to show you how to apply the color to the selected button. So as you can see here, I have I have took two visuals. One is table visual and another is visual form. So I have made bookmarks and associated these buttons with those bookmarks. So when I click on table, it will be on table. When I click on visual, it will go to the visual as you can see here. So, but I don't know which table is selected. Sorry, which button is selected. We can say that we are in the visual, but not in the table because there are only two buttons as well as two visuals, and also that is visual only. We can say that that is visual. So what if it is sales? This button is sales and this button is profit. So we need to know which button is selected. So how do we do that? So there is a simple trick for that. Let me show it. Okay, so we have two buttons here, right? Let me just copy this table button, just paste it here. So as you can see here, yeah, let me just give it some color. I would like to fill it with let's give the yellow color. Okay, just give the background also to give the full color to the button. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have one more button with the same name and the same bookmark. So let me open the go to the view bookmarks as well as the selection pane. So as you can see here, this one is, let me just drag this aside. This button is the selected color button. So you understood, right? So let me select this one, let me hide this one. Okay, so I would like to go to the table visual. So this is my table bookmark. So let's update this. Let me uncheck the data. Let me update this one. Yeah, so after this, as you can see here, let me unhide this. Let me just go here and select the bookmark. Go to the visualizations, go to the actions, just go to the bookmark. Yeah, it is already selected table. So let me just click on this table. See, let me just unhide this so I can uh, align this button with this one. So you understood? Let me just, so we need to do the same for visual also. Okay, let me just go back. Yeah, so when I, okay, let me copy this visual also, just paste it. So when I select the, let me just format this as you can see here. So when I click on this visual, this should come and this should be hidden. Let me just hide this table and unhide this button, and I would like to hide this one also as you can see here. So let me update the visual, update visual bookmark. Let me uncheck the data. So you understood, right? So let me click on this table. So we have got the visual because we need to hide this one when the table visual is selected. Let me just hide this and update the table bookmark. Just update this. You understood? Next, see, when I click on table, table is let me just unhide this button so that I can align this. Sorry, let me hide this again. I'm sorry, not this button, this button. Yes. So when I click on this table, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to update the, I need to change this one also. That is why it is coming like this. So let me just, so when I click on the table, it is on table only. But when I click on the visual also, it is on table because I need to hide this table so that it will show the visual. You understood, right? Yeah. So now I am going to update this visual. Yes. So when I click on the table will come. Now when I click on the visual will come. So we have applied the cell, we have applied the background color to the selected button. So because why we should do is 99% of the client, 99% of the time client will ask about this option. So that's it. We completed. I hope it helps. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you so much, guys.